Ever wondered how much interest Westpac actually pays? You're not alone. It's a question many of us ponder when looking to grow our savings, manage our loans, or simply understand our financial landscape. Westpac, as one of Australia's largest banks, offers a variety of products, and the interest rates attached to them can vary significantly depending on the account type, the current market conditions, and even how you manage your money. Let's break down the different ways Westpac pays interest, starting with where most of us park our everyday funds, savings accounts. When it comes to savings accounts, Westpac offers several options, each with its own interest structure. For instance, the Westpac Life Savings Account can offer a competitive total variable interest rate, which often includes a base rate and a bonus rate. To snag that bonus, you generally need to meet specific criteria, like growing your balance each month. As of recently, the total variable rate for Westpac Life can be up to 4.5% per annum, provided you meet those bonus conditions. The standard variable base rate for this account, when no bonus applies, is much lower, around 0.4% per annum. For those aged 18 to 29, there's a special offering with the Westpac Life and Choice accounts, potentially allowing you to earn up to 5% per annum on balances up to $30,000 if you meet specific spend and save criteria. Then there's the Westpac eSaver account. This one often comes with an attractive introductory rate for new customers, which can be around 4.5% per annum for the first 5 months if opened online. After this introductory period, the rate typically reverts to a standard variable rate, which is currently around 1% per annum. It's crucial to remember that these introductory rates are designed to entice new customers, so always check what the rate will be after the initial period. Beyond everyday savings, term deposits are a popular choice for those looking to lock in a fixed interest rate for a set period. Westpac offers various terms, from short stints of a few months to longer periods of up to 5 years. The interest rates for term deposits are generally fixed for the duration of the term, offering certainty on your returns. For example, a 12-month term deposit could offer around 3.75% per annum, with rates varying based on the term length and whether interest is paid monthly, annually, or at maturity. Keep an eye out for special online offers, as these can sometimes add a small bonus to the advertised rates. Now, it's not just about earning interest, it's also about paying it. If you have a loan with Westpac, such as a home loan or personal loan, you'll be paying interest to the bank. Home loan interest rates, whether fixed or variable, fluctuate based on market conditions and the Reserve Bank of Australia's cash rate. Recently, Westpac has adjusted its variable home loan interest rates, typically decreasing them following RBA cash rate cuts. Fixed home loan rates offer stability in repayments for a set period. For personal loans, such as car loans or unsecured personal loans, interest rates can range widely depending on your creditworthiness and the type of loan, from around 5.99% per annum for an electric or hybrid car loan to higher rates for unsecured options, sometimes exceeding 20% per annum. Overdrafts also carry interest, with rates often in the double digits. It's clear that how much interest does Westpac pay isn't a simple, single answer. It's a dynamic figure that depends on the specific product, current economic conditions, and sometimes even your own financial habits. Always check the latest rates directly on Westpac's official website or speak with a banking representative to get the most accurate and up-to-date information for your individual circumstances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.